Give me your sister. Who's that? That's your sister. Mom's right there.
Hi, Baba.
That's your sister. Yeah. What do you think?
Can you give her a kiss?
Can you give her Nina a kiss? Yeah, that's Nina.
The baby's all totally good.
What do you think? What do you think?
Totally all what now?
Yeah, that's your sister. Nina.
It's little Nina. Hi, Nina.
You want to bounce on the bed? It's pretty cool, huh? Mama? Hey, bud. Stay right there.
How's he drinking?
Hey, Peter.
That's your sister. What do you think?
I think what do you think?
Yeah. That's your sister. Yeah, Kev, don't pick her nose. Yeah. Do you like her? Do you like her? Can you give her a kiss? No. Can you give her a kiss?
Oh.
Give her a kiss. Give her a kiss. Go ahead. Give her a kiss. Oh, you want to take her?
How many times were they? 5, 8,
Okay, Auntie.
and 6, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.